personality. Let's be real with this cheerful girl na may nakakahawang good vibes. Let's all welcome to BRGY, Rain Selmar.
Hello!
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 Hi, Rain! I love it. Si Rain, you are one of the lucky ones na after your stay in the Big Brother house, kahit na ang busy nyo na ngayon.
Oh, yeah.
How was that like?
It was nice po kasi mga 3 days I went to Cebu po. And then I just met with the people that supported me po kasi I wanted to thank them po. Na, oh my gosh, you supported me. Thank you. So, yeah, I was like showing my thanks po to everyone. Yeah.
So, parang may homecoming party of some sort.
Oh, actually. Oh, yeah.
To be a housemate, quietly. Ano lang, nonchalant, ganyan lang, naglalakad sa airport, normal. Pero ngayon, everyone was.
Yeah, yes po. Especially po in this one gym po. I go there po sometimes. Just, just hang out with my friends. Hindi ako pinapansin dati. Tapos, pagpunta ko doon, dami na po nagpapapicture. Wow! So I'm like, wow, this is a new thing. Yeah, nakakatuwa po sa feeling.
Oh, but
Yeah.
now you're back here in Manila, full force, super busy na. Pero
Yeah.
kahit super busy ninyo, lagi pa rin kayong nagkikita, kayong mga ex-housemates. I see your posts about
Yeah.
it.
Especially po pag may schedule po kami na nagtugma, we take the chance po to eat out, ganun po. Kasi minsan na lang po nagtutugma yung schedules. We take the chance.
Sepangs.
Yeah, sepangs po. Separation anxiety, yeah.
Yan. Isa syempre sa mga pinakalagi mong kasama is your BFF from inside the house.
Yes.
Si Kai.
Hi.
Iba syempre ang friendship that you form when you're inside the house. How has your relationship and friendship developed dito sa outside world, would you say?
It's the same. It got stronger naman po. We tell each other, nangyari today, ganun.
Madami pang ma-enjoy dito sa
Yeah.
outside world, si Rain. But for now, mas makikilala natin si Rain by playing a little game that we'd like to call Would You Rather. So we want to rewind dito sa BRGY to get to know Rain and her growing up years, syempre with the biggest influence in her life, her family.
Oh, yeah.
So we will play Would You Rather. Just choose one option or the other. First, kung ikaw ay magbabakasyon, would you rather go to the beach or to the mountains?
Oh, I'd rather go to the mountains. Mountains. Kasi po, I love hiking po talaga.
That's
Yeah, yung paghihirapan mo po and then you go on top, you see the view. Oh, amazing. So, I love mountains po, mountains. Yeah.
So itong mga usual ninyo from
Yes,
daddy mo
yes po.
growing up.
Comes home, we make the most out of it and leave. Kaya, pag mag-road trip, and then Baguio, and then Sagada, and then went all the way down like that.
Hanggang Sagada
Yeah.
and then back to Cebu.
Yeah, we went past to Balerpa and Vegan, like that. Around talaga road trip, literal. So yeah, it was so fun po.
Okay.
I love it.
And syempre maraming mga global Pinoys ang nakaka-relate sa
Yeah.
life mo because nga you grew up, your dad was a seaman, mostly away from you.
My dad would adjust like yung flight pa niya like hapon, but used to it. Pero it's still hard every time he leaves.
Yeah, I guess that's what makes yung mga bonding times
Yeah.
nga na ganun. Even
More precious.
special.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Special, yeah.
Yes. Okay, next. Meron tayong susunod na would you rather. Kapag nagagalit ka sa mga kapatid or naiinis, would you rather be vocal or stay silent?
Sa kapatid ko.
Yes.
I'm vocal.
Kaya nilagyan pa ng disclaimer kasi iba siguro sa friends.
Yeah.
Pero yeah, in your family.
Kapag sa kapatid ko, parang bungangera po kasi si ate.
Ah,
Oh gosh, so
vocal. Pero you are actually a middle child.
Oh, yeah.
With no middle child syndrome. Mas parang ate vibe.
Yeah,
ikaw,
actually,
would you
yeah.
say?
Yeah, I would say po. Kasi nga, only girl din po. Parang, I feel like nagpaka-ate na. Yeah.
Tayong last. Kapag ikaw may problem or pinagdadaanan, would you rather be on problem-solving mode agad or feeling mode muna?
It's natural po to feel it first. Na-feel ko yung problem, and then, when I'm calmed down, I can, think of a way to solve the problem.
The moment that I first met you,
Yeah.
before you went inside the house, you've always had this yun nga, cheerful, optimistic
Yeah.
vibe. Where
Opo.
do you think you
Pero po, just, I'm like this now. My environment, my family, my friends, all very happy. So parang, I'm like that na rin.
Oo. And even when um, your family went through a journey in PBB, would you say na yun pa rin ang nanaig yung optimistic side?
I'd say yes po. Kasi in times of like, nag-struggle po kami. Parang I didn't want to bring the energy down pa when it was already down. And alam ko naman po that challenges are temporary po. So parang it's gonna pass. So it's better to just look at the bright side na it's gonna pass. This is not gonna be forever. So yeah.
Ang gandang attitude, no? And that's why I
Yeah.
feel a lot of people watching PBB talagang were drawn to you.
Thank you, thank you.
My question earlier was about pag ikaw yung may pinagdadaanan. And totoo ba to, growing up, it was your mom. It is your mom
Yeah.
until now who you're most comfortable sharing
Yes.
things with.
Yes po. So, yun nga po, I'm the only girl po and my mom's also a girl. I think that's also something that's nagpadali to share everything to mama.
That's a great relationship that a lot of moms want to have with their
Yeah.
kids. What do you think was it about growing up na para sa'yo parang magaan, madali mag-open up sa mom?
Because my mom is very, very open. Like, she's ready to listen to you. Very, thoughtful. Like, she'll ask talaga. Like, you don't have to be shy and, like, should I tell my mom ganun? Kasi she'll ask. So, I'm like, okay, I can tell my mom.
Yeah. So listener, no,
Yeah,
no
listener.
judgment. Oh, I love that. O, mas nakilala natin ang growing up years ni Rain. Pero pa-fast forward naman tayo sa iba't ibang mga skills and talents na nakita natin kay Rain through her journey inside the Pinoy Big Brother house. Bianca Gonzalez, and let's continue to be real with Rain of PBB Gen 11. Hello!
Hello!
There you go. Okay, there's something very interesting sa harap ni Rain, pero bago yan. I wanted to ask you, Rain, kasi a lot of people during your stay inside the PBB house tagged you as a dark horse.
Oh,
Or
yeah.
parang hindi mo akalain at the start, but then later on, parang gumanon. And eventually, second big
Yeah.
racer. No joke.
Yeah.
Did you know, pagkalabas mo na every time you were nominated,
Kasi, when they were telling me, akala ko, kasi parents eh. Parents, anak nila ako, malamang, they love me. Pero pag-check ko po, legit.
oh, I
Yun
love
po.
that. And speaking of that, isa, I guess, sa mga turning point na sobrang na-notice ka ng napakaraming tao na nanonood ng PBB ay around Halloween time na merong patask si Kuya
Kaya pala.
in the task room na parang merong mystery box tapos sigaw ka ng sigaw. Grabe yun
Oo nga
Nabili
po.
kami doon.
Opo, nakita ko po yung gumanon ka po.
Oo, at gusto namin i-relive yon. Pero this time, I promise, walang daga. Meron kami dito sa BRGY na mystery box din. So, huhulaan mo lang kung ano ang laman ng box na yan at pagkukwentuhan natin kung ano yung, I guess, significance niyan sa iyong buhay.
Alright.
Okay. Wow! Okay, are you ready, Rain? Meron tayong 3 items. Ito ang first item. So, maganda yung nails ni
Oh, yeah.
Rain, no? Tapos, papag-mystery box natin. Okay, laban, Rain. Go.
Let's
Please
go na po.
guess what the item is. I-throwback nyo na ngayon
Ito po,
yung ano niya. Yeah.
Wait lang po. Wait. Bakit like that? Is it like a wet leaf?
Wet
Pansit.
leaf. What did you say? Yes!
Wow!
Correct! Anong
Yes.
significance niyan sa life mo kaya yan ang nilagay namin sa box is apparently growing up, ang pansit ay usually hinahain sa
Celebrations?
celebrations,
Yeah.
yes, family gatherings. And dun ka pala unang parang nagpo-perform. Ganon.
Yes. Growing up lang po talaga, every time there's a celebration, pinapakanta po ako.
Mhm.
So, I don't remember the age. Maybe I was very young po talaga. So, doon ko po na-realize, oh, I can sing pala.
Check ang pansit. We have a next item na huhulaan ni Rain. Mystery box item number 2. Go, Rain. Kaya mo yan.
Let's go. Mimo. Parang hindi ko carry. Wow! Wow! Wait. I got it. Yo. Eyeglasses. Basic.
Yes, correct. Gusto ko natakot pa siya. Yun pala, glasses lang.
Glasses,
Yes,
yeah.
eyeglasses. Siyempre, a lot of people, dun ka nakilala na look when you
Yeah.
first entered the house. Pero in real life, when did you really start wearing glasses?
Grade 4 po. And parang sabi po ng doctor, parang it might be inborn. Parang since birth na ata yun. So, yeah.
Most of your life, you've been wearing glasses now.
Yeah.
What's your grade now?
Ano po, 300 on both sides. And with astigmatism.
Okay.
Yeah.
The glasses kasi, when a lot of people first saw you, it gives this impression nga, syempre, na shy, medyo nerdy. Tapos biglang when they see your personality, oh, super energetic, super cheerful. Growing up, because you're wearing glasses in school, what was the usual, I guess, misconception about you na ibang tao?
Not really the shy po kasi parang in school, parang loud po.
And then inside the house, when you first met yung mga kasama mo na first time mo din nakilala in your life, what was
Yeah.
the napansin mo na misconceptions?
Yun po. Yun yung first time. Shy. Yung shy, nerdy. I got it in Kuya's house. Kasi po, nung first night po talaga, parang, first time ko din na-feel na parang, naging shy si Rain. Ay,
Oh,
Rain.
yun yung first time mo ever in your life that you
Yeah.
felt shy. Shy.
Yeah, I felt shy. Kasi very overwhelming na, parang, I'm still, hindi makapaniwala, I'm going inside Kuya's house, tapos I'm meeting new people. Doon ko po nakita. Na-discover ko self ko, first night pa lang, wow.
Agad-agad. And then, eventually, when did you feel less shy?
When I slept in the morning, pagkagising ko, yun na yun. Hindi na ako na shy.
Grabe, one night,
Energy na yun.
one day only
Yeah.
yung shyness.
Pagkagising ko, sabi ko, bakit ako na shy kagabi? Hindi na to right. So, ayun po. Lumabas na po yung energy first day pa lang.
Pero like now that you're wearing contacts.
No, I'm not po.
Hindi mo ako masyado.
I can see you naman po. It's not crazy like that. I can see everyone po.
Oo. Wait, so nung big night, you had to go down the stairs.
Yes
May
po.
tumulong naman sa'yo, si
Yes
Robbie
po.
was there.
Yes.
But what did you see sa crowd?
I was seeing like colors po and like, parang may big letters of like, oh my gosh, I need my glasses pala.
Hindi mo pala
Yeah.
nakikita.
Pero when I got closer na po sa edge ng stage,
Oo.
I'm seeing some people naman po. Like my
Okay.
brothers, my
So
cousins.
you're more nearsighted than farsighted.
Yeah.
Grabe, yung napaka-memorable core memory moment na yon. Blurry pala.
Yeah, but it's okay po. I was seeing people naman po.
Okay, we have a last item for Rain to guess. Final item sa ating mystery box for Rain. Go ahead. Chop na siya at mystery box. Kayang-kaya ni Rain.
Yeah. No reaction challenge. What's that? Calculator!
Ganun yung reaction.
Calculator!
Yes, correct. It's a calculator. Bakit ganun yung reaction
Oh
mo?
my gosh. Calculus!
In school.
Yeah, school. Oh my gosh.
Bakit ganon ang face mo pag calculus at calculator ang pinag-uusapan?
Talagang, na-remember ko po yung struggles ko last year. Woo!
Last year lang yun.
Yeah, grade 11, yeah. Fine naman po kasi ako with math. Parang confident naman po ako.
Ano ang connection ng struggle sa calculus sa pagiging nandito ngayon?
So, ayun po. I opened po my report card ko. Oh no, delikado. So, I was like, parang plan B na this one. And then, I remembered po kasi there's a PBB audition just a few days away. So, sabi ko, I'm gonna give it a shot. Gusto ko naman po maging artista ever since I was bata. I just never really did anything about it. So, I was like, okay, win-win. I wanna do it and delikado yun. So, let's go. Boom.
Wait, so meaning if you had like a B or like, number pa kayo letters? Yung report card.
Numbers. Like,
Let's say 88, ganyan, 90 ang calculus. Hindi ka mag-audition? You think?
I was thinking about auditioning naman po talaga kasi my friends were like, parang bagay ka PBB Rain. Parang bagay ka. You should try. Nag-trigger button, nag-push button na lang talaga yun when I saw it. Thank you po.
calculus ni Rain,
Yeah.
in fairness. Pero tama ba yung nabasa ko sa iyong profile sheet that originally your dream is to become a radiological technologist?
Yeah.
Why?
Good question. No, kasi po, at first po, I wanted to be an ABM to pursue volleyball. And then, parang, I don't know what happened. I stick with STEM po. So, I chose RadTech po kasi parang it's fun. You're doing x-ray, you can see, the body, ganun. While it's a job. So, parang, oh, cool.
Is that still though a dream that you have now?
No po na, I'm in my first ever dream po talaga ever since I was bata po. And I feel like parang pwede naman po siya pagsabayin studies and my job right now.
Tama naman. Oh, and speaking of exploring the many possibilities sa buhay ni Rain ngayon, naku, ang dami nang pwedeng gawin. Yan ang ating pag-uusapan ng mga transformations and future plans when BRGY returns. Hello, BFAM and BRGY. You're still with me, Bianca Gonzalez, and our very special guest for today, Rain of PBB Gen
Hello.
11. PBB Gen 11, but so much more moving forward. Of course, we want to talk about yung journey ni Rain as a dreamer kasi marami nang nagbukas na opportunities, plans, future goals. So, magbibigay ako ng iba't ibang role in Rain's life. And we just want na naisip mong connected doon.
Okay.
So first, your role as a singer and songwriter. What line comes to mind? And please sing for us.
Hard to keep my eyes open. Don't know why I'm still holding on. Can't get my head to start thinking, what the hell is going on? Like that, yeah. So that's a song po Jaren and I made po inside Kuya's house.
Oh,
Yeah.
but it wasn't part of the musical.
Yeah, yes po. It was like bandang ending na po siya. Na-board po kami.
Nakakatuwa na beyond the task, nagsusulat pa rin pala kayo ng kanta.
Kasi po talagang walang magawa inside Kuya's house when there's no task.
Yes.
So just chika and make songs. Yun po yung na-discover ko din sa about myself. I can write songs pala in Kuya's house. Thank you, Kuya.
And you do have a lot of singer-songwriters that you look up to
Yeah.
in the industry. And those are...
Moira! Oh my gosh, Moira! I just met Moira de la Torre.
Oh, shucks, where?
During ASAP rehearsals po
that's
and the
right.
premiere night of Hello Love Again.
Yes. Okay, next. Please think of a line that you'd like to sing when you think about this next role. Rain as a performer or entertainer.
I got it. Oh my gosh. Every day it'll rain, 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 rain. Hey, no. Because my name is Rain. Every day it'll rain talaga.
Yes.
So, yeah.
Would you say acting is really something that you would want to pursue if ever?
Yes po talaga. I'm like very excited po to do workshops po and yeah, future projects. Wow! Kasi po talagang I enjoyed po talaga. Favorite task po talaga was musical.
Really?
Yeah. Kasi sing and you can perform tapos mag-act din. So like, enjoy po talaga ako.
So, sino yung dream mo maka-work if ever you are blessed na hindi malayang mangyari with an acting project?
Catherine Bernardo,
Which
I also met.
Grabe.
Yeah.
And hindi lang yun, kasi aside from acting, something you also sort of did recently is dancing on TV. And not just anywhere, but the ASAP stage. Oh my gosh.
So actually, matawa po yung mother ko kasi pag sumasaya ako dati, tatawa siya. Tapos di niya alam pang-asap yun. Pang-asap yung mother.
Pang-asap na
yeah.
level. Oo.
I'm also very, mag-look forward talaga akong mag-practice ng dance. Kasi sabi po nila, there's potential. I can do it naman. So, I'm gonna practice pa
Gusto
po
ko yung
talaga.
honesty. Pero hindi nagtatapos doon kasi may isa pang role or passion or maybe future dream si Rain, and that is to be a business owner.
Oh, yeah.
Is there any song that comes to mind for this?
Everything will fall. Wait lang, kalimutan ko pala siya.
Okay lang, okay lang, okay lang.
Everything will fall into place. Will fall into place. Yeah, yun na lang po yung na-remember ko. Fall into place by Hillary. Yeah, kasi po, I believe na it's gonna happen. I'm gonna make it work po and have my own clothing line in the future. It's gonna fall into place.
Hindi malayong mangyari. Lahat ng mga dreams na yan ngayon, pwedeng maging posible.
Thank you.
And with that, congratulations, Rain,
Thank you
on
po.
everything. Super, always so proud of you. And ang dami naka-line up na gagawin ni Rain at ng kanyang mga co-ex-housemates. So, you have all shows
Oh,
coming up.
yeah.
Yes. So, go ahead, please invite everyone.
Oh, yeah,
to catch
guys.
you there.
So, November 28 po on Coronadal, we're gonna perform there po. Abangan nyo that. And November 29 in Jansan, abangan nyo din that. And there's future more po. We're gonna, announce it. Abangan nyo that! Oh my God!
Yes. And of course, we'd like to give you this chance na magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga supporters mo. And if you'd like to greet anyone, family or friends around the world,
Yes.
go ahead.
First of all, hello to my mama who's been with me, always driving around for me. I'm thankful po. You're very supportive. I love you. And to my supporters po, thank you po reindeers and everyone po supporting me. Thank you po so much kasi wala po ako dito if wala kayo. And I won't disappoint you guys for supporting me. Talagang I'm gonna work harder and I'm gonna show you everything. I love you all po talaga. I love you po. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, I love it. I love the thank you so much for spreading cheerfulness sa aming lahat ngayon. Siguro just as a final message to everyone, marami tayong mga global Pinoys and kapamilyas around the world who aren't feeling so cheerful at the time, di ba? Iba't iba na mga pinagdadaanan. So, I guess what we want to tell all of them to add a little cheer in their life.
So guys, you can do that po guys. Whatever you're going through, your challenges that you're facing for right now, it's temporary. It's gonna pass po. So believe in yourself, love yourself, and we can do this together, bro. I believe in you. We can do this. Come on, let's put a smile on our face. Come on, let's do it.
Oh, di ba? I'm sure napasmile kayo doon watching that. Muli, maraming salamat.
Thank you po.
Thank you very,
Thank
very
you po.
much. Eto naman